How to upload 360 photo to Google Map. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm going to let you know the ways to upload 360 photo to Google Map. So in order to upload 360 photos to Google Map, you have to follow the simple steps. Now go ahead and open up your Google Map first of all, and make sure that you're connected to an internet service. When you open up, then you need to go and locate the particular location or the exact location. So I'm gonna go with this one. So when I've actually typed in the one, so I'm able to see this particular image. Now what you need to do is, here you just have to go ahead and swipe towards your left hand side, and here you can see post. You can go and press on the post button. Here click on add photos. Once you do that, here make sure to go ahead and allow all of these permissions, and then you could locate your 360 photo and then upload it. So that's basically how you can upload 360 photo to Google Map. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.